Hello guys, myself Afan and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechFear. I hope you are going good and I'm starting a new tutorial series on website development. So here we'll be building an amazing looking website with just using HTML5 and CSS3 along with some animations. So let us see what exactly we will be building throughout this series. So this is the website that we will be building. You can see over here at the middle of this header we have a beautiful banner kind of thing. Then at the left and right side we have these logos placed in this awesome font we will be using. I will teach you how to download fonts and use it in your website. Then we have a beautiful button over here. When I have, you can see the transition when I hover over this button. So when I click it, transition you can see. Then let me just reload and show it to you. So you can see over here some beautiful animations what we have placed, the banner dropping down and these little stuff coming from left and this text from right. So I will get down, then we are having this beautiful looking frame, and I will show you how to use this frame to link your YouTube videos, so that you can attach your any of your YouTube videos. If you have got uh, some of your YouTube videos to attach to your website, then you can link it over here. Then next, you can see over here beautiful text written. We have used the beautiful gradient overlay. Then you can see when I hover over it, you get some transition. It gets stilled and there is some shadow coming out of it. So it looks so beautiful. Then at the bottom we are having this text written. You can see this is aligned beautifully. We have justified this text in a single row, then edge to edge. Then these all text at the left side and these photos. And see this guys, when we hover over this we get this beautiful transition. So we will see how to do this. Then coming next, uh, we are having this. See, you can see over here, like we have this beautiful curve over right here. We don't have this completely. I'll show you how to cut this down and make it as a beautiful template. Then coming down we have these beautiful cards. So when I hover it, you can see shadow popping out of it. Then we have used some PNG images and with some text written. Then when I click it, shadow becomes darkened. So we will see how to do these beautiful transitions in this series. Then I'll teach you this ladder color like white, green, and so on. So I'll teach you how to do this with the help of tables. Then we are having also some three cards of mentors written over here. You can see I have used this gradient color like dark to light theme from left to right. You can observe it over here carefully. You will notice that the color changes from dark to light. Then finally at this bottom we will be building a footer with the details of the college. So here we will be using some icons for the social media. Then I will teach you how to link these applications, these tags to those applications. And then this beautiful copyright at the center of this tag. So to build this awesome application, make sure that you save this playlist, subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any of the notifications. That's it guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If so, make sure that you hit the like button. If any questions or any topic that you want me to cover, just comment down and I will make sure that I reach you. To get some more content on these topics, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, happy coding.